Hello everyone, PJ here on Pocket Tech. Today we are going to do a camera test on OnePlus 8 Pro. If you haven't seen the unboxing of OnePlus 8 Pro, link in the description below. So let's get started. We already know that OnePlus 8 Pro comes with quad camera. Before we take some pictures, let's see what we got in camera. We have several modes available in camera, so let's see each of it. If you see here in the photo mode, here we have three various options available. We have ultra wide mode, which is 0.6 times optical zoom. The another mode is hybrid zoom with 30 times optical zoom. The another option is 48 megapixel main camera. Here we even have an option to choose between 12 megapixel and 48 megapixel. If we choose 48 megapixel, it will have high resolution. If we choose 12 megapixel, it will offer better dynamic range, which is recommended. The next mode available here is portrait mode. It is the depth effect. Here also we have two options to choose if you are taking for single person or for a group of people. If you choose for single person, then we need to place the subject between 0.5 to 2 meters away. If you choose for group portrait option, then we need to place the subject between 0.3 to 2 meters away. Next mode available here is the nightscape, which is mostly known as the night mode. In this mode, we even have 1 time optical zoom and 0.6 times optical zoom. Another mode available here is the pro mode, which is almost same like a DSLR camera. Here we can set the ISO settings and even the aperture along with the focal length. We even have an option to change the format of the picture. We have three options available like JPG or JPG 48 megapixel and RAW. The next mode available here is the video mode. In video mode also we have three different options, same like the photo mode. We even have an option to choose for the stable mode, which supports 1080p at 30 frames per second and 4K at 30 frames per second. We even have the HDR option available. The next mode we have here is the slow motion. It supports 720 and 1080p. Let's see more information later in this video. Next mode we have here is the time lapse. In this mode, we have even three options available, same like the photo and video mode. Now let's get into the settings. We have an option to turn on the HDR mode or we can even turn it off. We even have an option to choose the aspect ratio between 4:3 or full and 1:1. Wow! We even have an option to choose here while we are taking the mirror selfies. Now let's get into the video settings. We have the HDR video, which is super stable. The front camera video only supports 1080p with 30 frames per second. Then have an option to record video at 4K Cine mode. The 4K Cine is 21:9 aspect ratio cinema standard. The wider views offers a more cinematic and impressive experience. We have some general options here like custom modes, or we can set whether you need a grid on the camera or not, and you can even choose either to display the watermark which shows shot on OnePlus. If you choose to have a watermark, it will be applied to photos taken by rear camera including photo, portrait, pro and nightscape mode. Let me show you some pictures I took on OnePlus 8 Pro. Now let's see some videos taken on OnePlus 8 Pro. In this video, if you choose wide angle camera to 3 times zoom, the audio will also get clear. My final thoughts on camera. The OnePlus 8 Pro has a very good set of cameras, but they are not at the best. They can do more. The chromatic characteristics haven't changed. The colors are natural. The photos and the videos are brilliant. They have good exposures. HDR helped a lot to bring out the highlights in the shadows. The pictures captured in the low light looks more noisy. The wide angle and the macro mode ought to be a very good add-on weightage. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you would like to see the comparison between iPhone 11 Pro Max and OnePlus 8 Pro, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe to Pocket Tech and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Stay home, stay safe.